Hi, we're Daria and Alex. In just 3 weeks, we brought our idea to life and built our very first van. Our goals were clear: keep it budget-friendly, lightweight, functional, and cozy. The process turned out to be quite a challenge. We're based in Baja California Sur, where the selection of building materials is really limited, so we had to get creative more than once. This project became more than just a van build. It's our journey, our personal experience. We're not offering a how-to guide, but simply sharing what we've learned along the way. In this episode, we'll take you through how we painted the van, serviced the engine, changed the wheels, and worked on the electrical system.
Pronti? Hay seguridad.
Subscribe to our channel to keep following our van build journey. In the next episode, we'll talk about the engine, the rooftop, the electrical system, and all the other details.